Hi guys! For those of you that don't know, my name is Lachelle and I am so excited to have teamed up with 49 to help celebrate Black History Month. So today I'll be recreating a style that has evolved from one of the oldest styles in Black culture. Today I'll be showing you step by step on how to create a braid out. Alright, let's get started.
So starting off with the Jantoinette Hydrotherapy Mist, I'm going to hydrate each section of hair. Then I apply their Twist and Curl Souffle to moisturize and define my curls. Once that's done, I finger part my hair to my desired braid size and add the Camille Rose Curl Maker for added definition and to stretch each braid. Now the origin of the braid has been traced back to 3500 BC, belonging to the Himba people of Namibia. And over the course of the different centuries, a woman's ethnicity, her religion, wealth, and even marital status was tied to how her hair was braided. The history of the braid is so culturally rich that it's just not a hairstyle, but it's considered to be art. So now that I've finished my braids, I'm going to put on my bonnet and let this dry overnight. Now that it's dry, I'm taking a dime-sized amount of the Moisture Repair Elixir and rubbing it all over my braids to prevent frizz during the takedown. Taking each braid, I'm carefully unraveling it as to not lose any definition. Now the braid hasn't always been popular. I grew up in the Bahamas, and many of us dreaded getting our hair styled in chunky plaits, and were often teased for it. But now, as more Black women have come to embrace their natural hair textures, plaits, braids, and cornrows have become staples in our routines. Regardless of how it's worn, the iconic braid will never go out of style. Braid outs give amazing definition and shape to the hair, and as you can see, the results speak for themselves.
Hello everyone, my name is Mimi. I'm going to be showing you guys how I recreated this protective style. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Starting off with freshly blow-dried hair, I'm going to create a large section and then a smaller, skinnier section within that and start braiding my hair. This style is known by many names including feed-in braids, stitch braids, or just cornrows with extensions. Cornrows originated in Africa in about 3000 BCE. The extension hair that I'm going to be using is the free tress braids, and I use that to add length and texture to my hair. Intricate braided styles were worn by kings, warriors, and women as a symbol of their culture and status. In more recent history, aka during times of slavery, slaves wore braids or cornrows as a way to keep their hair protected during hard labor, but also as a way to symbolize where they came from. As time went on, many slaves began using cornrows as a way to secretly help each other escape, using the different braid patterns as a guide or map to safety. As you can see, I'm adding a bit of gel to the perimeter of my hair in order to give it a more sleek look. Personally, I grew up getting different kinds of braids, and I enjoyed getting to pick a pattern or style as a form of self-expression. For Black people, braiding hair has always been a way for expressing oneself, protecting the strands, but also as a way to survive. Many slaves would even weave in gold and seeds into their braids to help aid survival once they escaped. Nowadays, you can really elevate cornrows by doing cool edge techniques such as swirls and loops. I went ahead and did simple swooping edges on myself, and then I went ahead and added some accessories for some funk. I just really love how versatile and creative we can be with our hair. We can really do anything we like to create the style that we want. And with that, that is the finished look. Thank you all so much for watching me recreate this style. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a thing or two. Go ahead and leave 49 a like, comment, and a share. Bye guys!